Okay, today is December 8th, 2009, and this is the Nook that just came in the mail. Overnight delivery from Barnes & Noble, and this is my unboxing. So, well, okay. And this is the receipt and the unboxing steps. Instructions to unpack your Nook. Step 1, remove the plastic shrink wrap that encloses the entire pack on the opposite side. Step 4, let's see. It's a very nice plastic case. It looks like it's meant to be on display. This is nice. 110 adapter to USB. When we bought our Sony e-reader, that was an added extra that you had to purchase. And so, yeah, there's the Nook. Let's see. Probably covered up. So, that's the unboxing. We're going to plug it in, and after we plug it in, I will do a review and a side-by-side comparison with our Sony e-reader.